If you are somebody who is hustling 24/7, saying yes to everything, saying yes to late nights, office meetings, in your business, you're just constantly chasing and hustling and doing that, this video is for you. As a society, we have been told that we need to prove our worth by hustling more, doing more, and just constantly just keep at it. That obsession, that discipline is important. But if you're doing that to chase validation and seek worthy in your own self, it's a sign this video is for you. Hustling your ass off does not equal being worthy. You don't need to earn your value by working more, saying yes to office meetings, or saying yes where you want to say no, and just doing things for family and just managing and just like forgetting yourself all of in this way. You don't need to constantly keep doing more just to prove your worth or to prove your value or to seek that or to fill that void within yourself that gives you that validation and that gives you that, you know what, once you achieve this, you will feel worthy. Once you achieve that income goal or that achievement or that award, you will finally feel worthy. But the truth is that you're already worthy. You don't have to work and sacrifice yourself to feel worthy. And in the whole process of doing this, we overgive, we sacrifice, we say yes to things that we really want to say no to, and we burn out and we lose connection with ourselves. We stop just living our lives. We stop feeling alive and we feel like, oh my God, my business is running numbers. My content is getting viewed by millions of people. But in my heart, I feel empty. Why is that? I used to be that girl, working late nights, saying yes to everything, and just doing things to prove myself that I'm worthy. I'm worthy of love. I'm worthy of the money. I'm worthy of just living this life. I was successful on the outside, making six figures, having a team, running my own business. Everything just haathon ki reet ki tarah beh gaya. I was burnt out. I was so overwhelmed. I was so disconnected with my own self that I did not wanted to continue what I was doing. And I also didn't wanted to live another day. I keep saying this. This is kind of a rebirth that I've had. And I'm living a life, after giving up on everything. Giving up on myself, my own dreams, and just thinking that this is it, what I had to do. It's crazy. It's crazy how society has made us feel. Our family, the people surrounding us, they have just constantly made us feel that if you're not hustling, if you're not working 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours a day, and you won't be able to make it. But what are we really chasing? Are we chasing a goal that's so big that we really want to do? Or are we chasing that feeling of worthiness behind all of this? Because your job, your title, your money, your salary is not what you seek your worthiness from. The car you drive, the house you live in is not what tells you how worthy you are. What truly tells how worthy you are is you. And you to remember that you're already worthy. But that makes me come to a question which you might also have. Does that mean that we stop working and we stop just doing things? No, absolutely not. But when you work in a direction where you're not doing or working to fill that void, but to actually be very clear as to why are you doing this, kind of energy you will have, the kind of clarity you will have, and the kind of excitement and joy you will feel in your work would be so different. And that's something I can bet on. I have lived it, I have experienced it, and I know what it feels to be not living and not just finding it difficult to get out of your bed, to coming to a place where it feels excited about my day, what I'm going to do today, and just looking forward to, the kind of work I do and the life I'm building and everything. So being spiritually awake and getting this clarity that, you're already worthy and you don't need to prove your worth. It's just, you need to keep on doing what excites you and just get up every day with that energy that, today I'll do this, and just be excited about that. That has made the whole difference. And I need you to take this video as a reminder that it's possible for you as well. It's 100% possible for you as well to get up and be excited about the day and put your whole heart and energy and soul into the kind of work you do and feel excited and still enjoy and make money and do everything that you want. That's possible. I can make that possible for you.